Hi, my name is Marten, and I'm the CEO of Myco Innovation. We're a startup. I'm also on the faculty at UMBC in the Department of Chemical, Biochemical, and Environmental Engineering. And this project, the company, actually spun out of a project that I and some of my colleagues are on called ICOR. It's an entrepreneurial boot camp sponsored by the National Science Foundation. And through ICOR, we learned that for over 50 years, farmers have been adding antibiotics in low doses to animal feed, particularly to poultry feed. And they do this because it doesn't just help the chickens remain more healthy, but actually increases the efficiency with which they grow. So they're called antimicrobial growth promoters. The problem is that because they're doing it in low doses, it also leads to resistant bacteria that make people sick. So just a couple years ago, the Food and Drug Administration said this has to stop. They issued a guidance and suggested that farmers and companies stop adding these low doses of antibiotics. And many agricultural companies have complied with this. The problem is that there's not a lot of great alternatives to traditional antibiotics. So our vision is to produce comparable growth promoters, antibiotic growth promoters, that are not traditional antibiotics, but to do it very economically. We're trying to manufacture peptides and proteins that have antimicrobial properties. Through my work at UMBC, we have access to scientists who are experts in growing filamentous fungi, and that's what we're doing. We're using fungi to express these peptides and proteins very economically. So I'd invite you to join our team. We have a group of individuals, scientists, we have business entrepreneurs, we have a fantastic mentor here at UMBC. This is a high-risk, high-reward project, but we're optimistic about what's going to happen. So far, we've actually been able to secure NSF STTR funding and a State of Maryland Innovation Initiative grant, and we're applying for a number of other grants as well. Thanks.